Alright, so this is Ethereon here again with the new reset of Pure Fiction Tales of a Tethered Bird. As you can see, we can go straight to the third stage because we have 3-starred the previous stage 4. And as expected, this is a dot favoring condition, which, you know, it's Hoyoverse. They're gonna design stuff that will favor the new character, i.e. Black Swan. So I'm gonna just go with Argenti here just to see how well it performs. I don't think it should be an issue. I think, hopefully. But yeah, so Herta might be good as well, because, you know, I'm just gonna pick Herta. Why not Herta? Then I can save her for... I can save Tingyun for the next team, which will be Kafka, featuring Kafka, obviously. Imaginary, so we'll take Luocha for his break, we'll take Kafka, we'll take Tingyun, and then Bronya maybe for hypercarry Tingyun. It's hard for hypercarry Kafka. This one then. So spread disease. Let's change out her light cone. She has a rather crappy light cone now. So we're gonna switch this. Actually not bad, 96%. Just wondering whether this is better. Or maybe we should just switch this. Yeah, you know, we just switched before dawn. It annoys me to give S5 to her, so we should just have to make do with this. Alright, let's try this. So this is just stage 3. We're gonna try to see whether we can clear stage 4 with a perfect 40,000. And if we can't, we will come back once Black Swan is released. Alright, let's go. Very good. Kuru. Ooh. Very good. And we are going to do this, obviously. We're going to do this. I'm not sure if it's going to be a 0 cycle, but whatever. Okay, very good. Okay. Guardian Shadow's dead, very good. So we're going to hurt her first. Next spawn, please. Thank you. Hania is still stunned. Kuru, I guess. Oh, very good. Ooh, that hurts. Very nice. Herta. I know it's not the infinite action advance of Himeko, but unfortunately they are kinda not. They are kinda... Very good. There's him. They're kinda not fire weak, is what I wanted to say. He still has 2 stacks, so I'm going to do Refresh skill. And we are going to do this. Very good. I don't think so. I don't think we're gonna 0 cycle 40,000, sadly. Maybe not. Okay, very good. Oh no, it's only 26,000. Gosh, I'm definitely gonna need 1 cycle for this. Oh. Very good. Okay, so we are at 30,000. Nowhere close to 40,000 and we have to use 1 cycle. Not that a 0 cycle clear really matters. It's just full score for this. Remaining cycles 3. Okay, yeah. Okay, I've had enough. Sit down. Okay. I don't really care what you do. Yeah, sure. Very good. Just one stack left. If I do this, I can't skill with Argenti, which I really want. I'm gonna have to leave it then. Okay, reclaim skill point. Very good. Is that it? Could I have waited? No. Alright, 40,000. But that was stage 3, so you know, there's nothing really. Nothing really too out of the ordinary for stage 3. We're gonna enter the Kafka, obviously. Okay. We're gonna alt onto Kafka because they annoy me. Okay. Very good. Attack boost. You're dead. Very good. Okay. He's dead. We should wipe them all. Enough skill points to do this. Yeah. Thank you. Lord Chan got stunned. That's unfortunate. Not that the crit damage really matters, but whatever. Fresh buff. I don't really wanna. Oh. I was gonna say I didn't really wanna ult just 2 half-dead characters. Very good. This Watcher is stunned forever, man. Okay. 70,000 please? 69,000. Come on, guys. Oish. Okay. Okay, it's time for you all to sit down. Thank you. Thank you. Oh no! Can't do anything until I can dispel. Probably gone, yeah, I suppose. Heaven's Fall. No, I need a skill point. So this. So this. She did. Very good. Very good. 80,000. Alright, so that's stage 3. That definitely felt a little bit more difficult than the previous Pure Fiction. Previous Pure Fiction felt like easy mode for sure. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, I guess there's no quick way about doing this. That's a lot of jades. Alright, anyway. So let's see. Ooh. Okay, so we know what team we're running here. So this is obviously tailored towards Black Swan. But unfortunately, since we don't have her, we're kind of stuck. And this team at the bottom is going to be our Herta Himiko team. So Herta, what sustain should we run? Ice, 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 imaginary. Yeah. Whatever. It's not gonna be Ho Ho, that's for sure. Okay. Maybe around Fuxuan instead. And then we want to buff both of them up. Maybe Asta, I guess. And then Himeko. So this is like the 4-star team. And we are going to get that, I guess. This one is gonna be our Kafka team. Obviously, it would be perfect if we had our Black Swan right here. But because we don't, we kind of have to go without. Did I not bring my Ranmei for either team just now? Oh, I'm such an idiot. No wonder it took so long. Anyway. Is there fire? Okay, let's run Little Gui then. Little Gui, let's go. Rumor. No, let's take Libel. Alright, let's see whether this is enough to 80,000. Yes, yes, yes. This is an attack. I think we're gonna regret not having Black Swan, but we're doing this more than 24 hours before she's due to go live. So that was ridiculous. Alright. Come on, hit my Kafka. Hit my Kafka. Why don't you want to hit my Kafka? Very good. Guess we just do this. It's kind of wasted to knock out, you know, and wipe everything. Very good. And then now we have our what? Seriously. Okay. We still got lots of stacks of that. I can never forget the meme whenever I see that. Okay. Wow, that's nuts. That's crazy amounts of damage for a dot. They're really trying to sell dots in this environment. I mean, to no surprise, of course. We're gonna have to skill with Ranmei next turn, assuming skill points are not an issue. You don't have to skill. Hit my Kafka. Yes. No, 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 no. Oh. Alright, no, dead. Awesome, you cannot be defeated before all other targets are defeated. That's would be expected. Little Gui. Let's do it. Boom. Very good. We need to Ho, dispel yourself, please. Thank you very much. Okay. Very good. I'm just gonna top everyone off with Ranmei's ult. Kafka, very good. Thank you very much. That was very welcome. Okay. Kafka. Yeah. Very good. More enemies. More enemies. We've still got the dispel alarm. I'm not gonna say it. Not that I really care about monetization, but hey, 40,000 points, even without Black Swan. Oh well, that wasn't too bad. We want this up. Want this up. What's this? Okay. Ooh, I think we're already getting started. Ow. 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 Is it already? Oh, it's already full. Do I really want to use this? Ah, whatever. Ah, yes, I do want to use this skill point. I don't think so. Time to break everybody. Boom. Boom, baby boom. Boom, boom, baby. Oof. Hi. Hi. Ooh. I love this. It's so fun. Quantum. Let's break them. Oh, let's not break them. I mean. Okay, too many of your turns. I don't like it. Don't want you to go. I just want to go. Very good. I'm impressed. Oh, very good. Never mind then. Ouch. 2 skill points, let's not. Whoa. I'm gonna try to trigger a break. Very good. Ring. Herta is becoming extremely invaluable for almost every pure fiction. I mean, as long as it's ice weakness, of course. Blah 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 blah. We've got 3 cycles. We only need to finish 12,000 points. Shouldn't be an issue. Oh, this is annoying. Okay, so the shield is gone. Ah, so itchy. Very good. Waiting for him to spawn in before you use the ultimate. Very good. I'm hoping it's quantum, but I'm just gonna do that. I know I have 2 stacks already. I should have waited for more spawns, I think. Oh, is this it? Are we truly done? I need to refresh shield. Okay, I think he's finally ready to die. We've got 1 cycle left. He's got 11% HP. He should be fine. Reset. Oh, okay, that's fine then. Yeah, okay. So that's a perfect 80,000. Did it take a while? Yeah. Do I care? No. So a perfect clear of pure fiction, not zero cycle, but I can't be arsed with that. And yeah, 80,000 points for both stage 3 and stage 4. Hope that helped for whoever is in the other servers. And yeah, it's Ethrion signing off.